When a minimum of two people come together for a mutual agreement to share the profits of the business run by them together or any one of them, that's known as a partnership. In simple terms, you and your partners would sign a contract to run the business, share the profits and losses together. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn about the step-by-step procedures in order to register the business, the average turnaround time to get done with it, and finally the budget and the documentation we should be prepared with. In a partnership firm, depending on the type of business it is, you have to decide the number of partners. Well, the minimum is 2, but the maximum again depends on the kind of business that you're involved in. Coming to the name registration of the company, well, it depends on the service or the product that you're about to offer. Now, the name that you and your partners have decided, whether it is available or not, in order to check that, visit the government website link. Now that you've decided on the name, well, the next point that we're coming to is capital requirement. It depends on the type of business that you and your partners are involved into, but there is no minimum capital requirement as such. Now let's hear about the documents which are required for this process from our experts.
So basically a partnership should be registered with the sub-registrar of your jurisdiction and under the Partnership Act. So the basic documents which are required for partnership is the partner's individual proofs, proof of identity, proof of address, and also the place of business is essential for partnership. So if you are having a rental premises where you carry on your business activity, you should get an agreement in the name of your partnership. Not in the individual name of the partners, but in the name of the partnership, and that should be submitted along with all the documents to get your partnership registered.
Moving on to the turnaround times. Well, in order to get a partnership registered at the sub-registrar's office, it takes around a day or 2. Next, getting your company PAN card at your registered address will take around 10 to 15 days. Once you're done receiving the company PAN card, you will have to open a current bank account. Well, that generally takes around a week's time, but then it again depends from bank to bank. Now that you have submitted your forms, these are the documents you would be receiving. The first one is a Form C. Well, that comes from the Registrar of Firms. And the next one is a partnership deed. This comes from the jurisdictional sub-registrar office. Coming to the key features of a partnership firm. You can start off with a minimum of 2 people who will actually share the responsibilities and duties of running the business. Not just that, as your business actually expands, you can go ahead and bring in more people and resources into the business as well. However, there are a few disadvantages of partnership as well. To start with, it's unlimited liability, and it could also be the confusion between partners in order to take decisions. When it comes to getting more funds into the business from investors, it'll be a difficult task as well. So, if in case you have plans of getting more funds into the business on a later date, you better focus on a limited liability partnership as an option for you, also known as an LLP. Well, that being said, if you are a team of people with varied skills working on the same target or goal, then partnership is the best fit for your team. As they say, if you want to go fast, go alone. And if you want to go far, go together. We are Nationz Network from Nationz, and we provide you with practical walkthrough of various aspects. Tag along your friends and family whom you feel will benefit out of this video. Please do like, share, and comment on our videos or post your queries if you would like to know more. Please do follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to view more interesting content like this one.